In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. First, make sure you're already signed into your Amazon account on your computer or mobile browser. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with your usual account details, then return to the Amazon homepage so we can start from there. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the main navigation menu with several options, and among them there should be an option that says Join Prime. This is the entry point for activating Amazon Prime, which includes Prime Video as one of its main benefits. Click on Join Prime. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Take a moment to look through this pop-up. It will outline what's included in your Prime membership, and you should see Prime Video listed there. This means that by subscribing to Amazon Prime, you automatically get access to Prime Video's movies, series, and other content. On this same pop-up, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Amazon will usually show you any payment methods you've previously saved to your account, such as a debit or credit card. If you want to use one of those, simply select it from the list. If you'd rather use a different card, there's usually an option to add a new payment method. Click that and carefully enter your new card details. If you have a valid gift card or balance on your account, you may also be able to apply that toward your Prime membership. This can help reduce or cover the cost, depending on how much balance you have available. After you've selected or added your payment method, click on the option to continue. The pop-up will refresh and now show you a summary of what you've chosen. You should see your selected payment method clearly displayed, along with your billing address. Take a quick look to make sure everything is correct, especially the card details and address. When you're ready, look for the button that says Start Your Free Trial of Prime. If this is your first time subscribing, Amazon often offers a 30-day free trial, which lets you try Prime and Prime Video before you're charged. Click that button to confirm. Once you've done this, your subscription is active, and that's it. You're now subscribed to Amazon Prime, and you can start enjoying Prime Video right away.